Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your phone so tracking works reliably. Enable GPS and set location mode to high accuracy, and make sure battery saver is off so updates aren't throttled. Next, open Google Maps and sign into your Google account. Having the right account ensures the shared location links to you. Finally, grant Maps location and background permission so it can update while the app isn't in front. Once done, you're ready to begin sharing or checking a live location in the app. You now initiate live location sharing. Tap your profile avatar in the top corner, choose Location Sharing, and pick a recipient, either a saved contact or generate a shareable link. Select a time limit or choose until you turn this off for ongoing tracking. Shorter durations improve privacy. Make sure you select the desired accuracy. Some devices let you prioritize precise location. Once the recipient accepts the link or opens it, their Maps view will show your live. You finish by monitoring and validating the feed. Open the shared link or the person's entry in Maps to watch live updates. Movement should appear smoothly when GPS and data are stable. If the location lags or freezes, first check GPS signal, mobile data, or Wi-Fi, and that Maps has background permissions. Restart the Maps app or reboot the phone if needed. Finally, verify account sign-in and correct device time settings to resolve sync issues. That single troubleshooting step often fixes stale position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.